Get low when the whistle go.
Где он? Где он?
Деньги.
So, Countess Sergeyevich Tarasov, how come you're so far from home?
I borrowed some money to set up business. Big mistake. Bad man. How you say? Don Corleone?
Mafia.
So I dance. Save money to pay him back. Or he break legs.
How much?
$10,000.
A fucking lot of dancing.
I like to dance. I like my legs.
Yeah. I do too.
Tell me you heard that.
Yeah, but it's probably one of the guys going to the toilet or something.
Well, why don't you just go and see who it is?
Guys? Guys, is that you? Lewis?
Please go out and look.
Why don't you go out and look?
For God's sake, you're such a pussy.
Hey, listen, hey, don't call me a pussy. What are you guys doing here?
Do you have any other modifications?
A few.
Where?
I hear you're a bit of a rebel.
Some people would say that. Others would say I just know what I want.
What's that?
To start again. This entire seat. Get rid of Shaw and Alden. Destroy their little power battle. They're destroying what they created. So I would like to destroy them.